Hello decorators! Welcome to our next video. We created a color guide for all of the balloon colors by Tuftex, Qualitex, and Sempertex. And in today's video, we are going to show you all of the Tuftex colors. You guys ready? Then keep on watching. Okay, so I organized all of the colors by the schemes. And the first scheme we are going to start with is our natural and neutral colors. The first one we're going to have is black. Black is black everywhere, but still, let me show you. So this is black. The next color we have is cocoa. Gray smoke. Stone. Lace. Sugar. Crystal clear. Metallic silver. Metallic gold. So now let's get to our purples. We are going to start with crystal purple. Plum purple. Lavender. Metallic lilac. Blossom. Canyon rose. Now let's move to our blue colors. Navy. Midnight blue. The navel. Metallic blue. Blue. Baby blue. Turquoise. Blue slate. Metallic sky blue. Monet. Fog. Sea glass. Now we're slowly moving into our greens. This is our teal. This is our metallic teal. Metallic seafoam. Empowerment. Willow. Lime green. Fiona. Metallic green. Green. Evergreen. Metallic forest green. Now let's get to our reds. Crystal burgundy. Metallic Starfire Red. Red. Crystal Red. Samba. Sangria. Hot Pink. Metallic Fuchsia. Pixie. Pink. Baby Pink. Shimmer Pink. Coral. Cheeky. Blush. Cameo. Now moving to our oranges and yellows. Aloha. Metallic Rose Gold. Burnt Orange. Orange. Goldenrod. Mustard. Yellow. Lemonade. Which one is your favorite color by Tuftex? All of these Tuftex colors can be found inside of our color guide, along with all of the Qualitex colors and all of the Sempertex colors. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out the future videos, and I will see you in the next one.